Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Cate and Chloe. This is a jewelry subscription box, and they recently launched a New Year, New You VIP box, which includes 3 pieces of jewelry and a surprise product. So we're gonna go ahead and open it and see what's inside. So it looks like this is the February box, and it talks a little bit about the jewelry. There's an 18 karat white gold plated bracelet and earrings. And then on the back is the free product that's included. It's a tube of Health Punk organic tomato concentrate. Sounds interesting. I love this tissue paper. Very pretty. And here's the first item. Looks like it has a magnetic closure in the front, which is fancy. And this would be earrings. So one of them came loose. Oh, that's pretty. So it has some diamond-like stones right here. Then there's a larger one, and then some danglies that have the clear stones as well. That's very pretty. In the next box we have a bracelet. Kind of has like a flower design to it. All clear stones. And it does match the earrings and the fact that it has like the same bigger clear pieces spaced out on here. That's super cute. I like that a lot. That's what the back looks like. And then of course you could pick whatever length you need. Very pretty. And then we have one more item. Another pair of earrings, and everything pretty much would match each other. Since they're all clear stones. It's very bright in here, so I don't know if it's picking up on it that well. There's a lot of windows in the room where I film. It has pretty long posts. Very cute. And I like that those aren't too big and bulky. Pretty flat to your ear. And then here's the Health Punk Organic Smart Food Pure Tomato Double Concentrate Tomato Paste. I like that they threw a completely random item in there because I love cooking and would definitely use this. Neat packaging too. A metal tube. Very cool. So if you guys are interested, I will put all their information below on how you can reach them and sign up for a subscription. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.